In my previous video on how to start a YouTube channel in 2018, I told you guys that audio is one of the most important parts of creating video. You can have bad video quality, but audio is crucial. So in this video, we're going to talk audio. Hey guys, how's it going? Andre back here from Cyberpunk Tech with another video. I'm so glad you guys could make it. I'm super stoked about this video. And it seems that by popular demand, you guys really want to know how to edit your audio. Now, whether you guys use straight from your camera or with an external microphone, it is very, very easy to get a little bit more oomph, a little bit more bass, a little bit more prominent, better sounding sound out of your microphone. So that's what we're going to do today. If you guys are going to enjoy this, definitely click the like button and comment down below. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing because we do a lot of gear review, tutorials such as this one, unboxing, a lot of cool tech stuff. So if you're into tech, this is the place for you. Now we're just going to hop right on over onto the computer and we're going to check this out.
Alright guys, so we are going to be doing this in Audacity. I am now recording off of my headset microphone and I'm not going to bother editing this because, well, it's a given. Alright, so first off, I am going to use just the onboard audio that I have from my camera, my Nikon D3400. Now these settings are going to vary between everybody, based on the camera that you have, the acoustics in the room, so the size of the room, everything matters, right? So this is how it sounds.
This is the sample audio from the Nikon D3400.
Now you can see how there's a little bit of noise, which isn't really good. But if we take a look here, you guys can see that there's a bit of noise right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this part. I'm going to go over and I'm going to click Effect. Then we're going to go over into Noise Reduction. Right here I'm going to click Get Noise Profile. And it has taken the noise profile. If I click off and hit Control A, it selects my whole clip. I go back to Effect and into Noise Reduction. Here the settings that I personally use are noise reduction 20 decibels, sensitivity 6, and frequency smoothing 2.5. And then I just let it run its magic. You guys see how it slowly got compressed, but now it should be a lot less noisy. So let's see how this sounds.
This is the sample audio from the Nikon D3400.
Now that wasn't bad at all, I hope. I hope you guys see the difference in that one and just how well it actually worked, just removing the noise from that. So if we play it again for you guys to hear.
This is the sample audio from the Nikon D3400.
So that was edited, but now maybe we want to make it a little bit more punchy. It sounds a little bit flat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click it all again. I'm going to go to Effect, but this time we're going to go to Equalization. Now right here, this is just what your audio looks like. Right here, you can select curves and make presets. Personally, I like doing a bass boost and then even a bit of a treble boost just to see how it sounds. If not, I can always go back and just remove it. So I'm going to click OK. Should be done, and let's see if it sounds any different.
This is the sample audio from the Nikon D3400.
Right, you see now it sounds a lot more punchier, it's a lot bassier, which is exactly what we want. Then when I export, File, Export Audio, I just use a waveform. That's just me. And then yeah, you guys can export from there. I am going to also show you guys the Blue Yeti. That's what I personally use for a microphone. I'm just going to open it up. Alright, let's see how this sounds right here.
This is the sample audio from the Blue Yeti Blackout, which we are going to be editing so we can make it sound a little bit better.
I apologize, I kind of stumbled my words around there, but nonetheless, we're going to try and remove that noise. Here, you guys can see it here in the background, right? If I play it. All that noise, I don't want it there. So you can do this either at the beginning or at the end. That's why I leave a little bit of room when I'm recording. So then I can go Effect again, Noise Reduction, get my noise profile, Control A to select everything, back to Noise Reduction, and apply everything. And everything, you see this part where we had the noise, everything's smoother. So if we just check this part out, there's very little noise. I think I was hissing in the background, so that's about the only thing you can hear. If we listen to the whole thing.
This is the sample audio from the Blue Yeti Blackout, which we are going to be editing so we can make it sound a little bit better.
See, that sounds a lot better, a lot crisper, no more echo. But again, you can keep playing with some of the settings. I'm going to show you guys right here. Sometimes, depending on my audio, depending on the situation, I will do the following. I'll select everything and I will go under reverb. Again, here you can see your room size. You can lower this stuff. You can change so many things, damping, tone low, tone high, wet gain, and all of this stuff makes little changes. So you guys can play around with this. If I just use these settings that I have right here, that I actually used when I recorded something in a very, very large echoey room. So if we listen to this,
this is the sample audio from the Blue Yeti Blackout, which we are going to be editing so we can make it sound a little bit better.
Now that sounds pretty good in my opinion. So what we're going to do here, just to make it further, we're going to do something we've already done. We're going to select everything, effect, and equalization. And here we're going to be, of course, just adding a bass boost. Let's hear how it sounds.
This is the sample audio from the Blue Yeti Blackout, which we are going to be editing so we can make it sound a little bit better.
Now that is how I personally edit my audio. It's not a lot. It's very simple. It's only a little bit of editing, but man, does it make a huge difference from the beginning, where you hear all that background noise, all that hiss. It is important that you guys try and get rid of that for your guys' videos. It is crucial. I would like to thank you all for watching. Thank you all for joining me. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you guys have any more suggestions on videos and tips like this, comment down below if you want any type of other videos that you guys would like me to do, or if you have any tips for me to edit my own personal audio, because I'm not a god at this. I don't know everything, but I'm definitely looking to learn. And if there are any super fantastic tips down in the comments below, I will make sure to share with you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.